Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You guys must be wondering why is there Butterkist chocolate and cookie and cream biscuit on the screen? Well, I am making a 3 ingredient chocolate cake, and yeah, all I'm gonna be using are these bad boys. You can either use just all chocolate if you want or all cookie and cream. I'm just going for a mixture here. Alright, so I'm gonna be using these bad boys, some baking powder and milk. That's it. And I'll have my little itty bitty chocolate cake. Alright guys, stay tuned to see what's gonna happen. Alright guys, so first things first, I would need to open these and open each of the cookies one by one, remove the cream, and then put them into something. I'm going to show you guys in a bit. And so I'm going to separate the cream from all the cookies. And if you have a food processor, you use that to blend the cookies. However, I don't have that, so I'm going to be beating these bad boys. Alright, there's a lot of things that I don't have, but I still make awesome dishes. Alright, so you guys can do it too. By the way guys, this is an experiment and I'm actually just hoping that it turns out good. I don't know what's gonna happen but we are both gonna be surprised at the end, so we're either gonna be celebrating or laughing. One of the two things. Maybe even both. Alright, so stay tuned guys. Alright, so guys, I have my 3 ingredients: baking powder and some milk. Alright, let's jump into this. Alright guys, so all done. Now I'm gonna warm my milk and then let's see. Now, who knows? Maybe I can still call this my quick and easy cake, because after that was just the hard part. That was the hard part. And it took me like 10 minutes to do all that. So it's still quick and easy. So this, my estimate, is about 3 cups. 3 bags. I estimate 1 bag at 1 cup. there you have it. 3 ingredients. Alright, so if you want to basically give this cake a little pop, you can add some chocolate chip to this. You can do the frosting that I'm gonna do. I'm gonna grease my baking tin with butter and lightly dust it with some flour, and then I'm gonna pour my batter in. Do not overbake, guys. The preheat your oven at 170 degrees Celsius. Alright, see you on the flip side. Alright, so greased and dusted with flour, and pour the bad boy in. Now, if you guys wanted to do a bigger cake, you know, you just double the ingredients, or you can do 2 separate small cakes. Add some filling in the middle, and obviously, guys, you can definitely lick this batter. There are no raw eggs. I'm pretty sure as a child, you guys know what I'm talking about. Alright, this is going straight into my mouth. I don't care if y'all want to judge. This cake is going to be bomb, guys. Alright, so I'm going to pop this in the oven. See y'all on the flip side. So while my cake is baking, guys, I am going to do my frosting. I'm going to get a regular old chocolate bar. A regular old Charles chocolate bar. And I'm gonna melt this and combine it with the cream. So I'm just gonna go ahead and melt this, guys. So, see my best friend working again. Yeah. I got the one with almonds because I want that little crunch on top. So you can either get just a plain old milk chocolate or whatever you like. Just take it out, and yeah, done. So I'm gonna take this out and I'm gonna apply my frosting. Alright, so I want to show you guys. I don't know if you can see that, but it's basically already falling out. Lovely, that's what I like. Remember to allow the cake to cool before you do this next step. That's basically my cake. I'm just gonna cut into this so you guys can see. Alright, guys, I'll show you guys can see, but that is it. So I'm just gonna give this a taste. Mmm. 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 Mm. Hmm. It's good, guys. It's good. It's y'all need to try this. Like y'all need to try this, guys. It's good. It is good. Mm. Oh yes. This is bomb, guys. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. Mm. Can't believe this worked. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this crazy video. Please like it. Please comment down below. Please share this on your WhatsApp, your Instagram, your Facebook, guys. It would do me a solid. I am gonna go enjoy this cake. Well, I'm not gonna eat all of it at once, but guys, I will catch you in the next video. Peace out.